If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these stemless wine glasses that I purchased from Dollar Tree into these lovely Chanel drip, glamorous, sparkly glasses, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be embellishing two stemless wine glasses. I absolutely love these glasses, and I had made some of these a while ago, but I actually ended up breaking them somehow, and I didn't get a chance to replace them. I'm not a wine drinker, but I literally drink everything out of these glasses. Milk, water, hot chocolate, Kool-Aid, whatever, orange juice. I drink it out of these glasses. So I always kind of just either use one or the other. So I want to replace them. The first one I did a while ago was silver, and I had a pink one. So today I'm going to do a gold and a pink one. And I'm going to use pink AB rhinestones this time instead of the resin. And I'm going to use some gold. So I'm going to wipe off the glasses with a little bit of alcohol. I did find these glasses at Dollar Tree. I will be using a wax pickup tool. The glue I'm using today is called Liquid Fusion. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh, and the decals, I cut them out with my Silhouette Cameo cutter. Hopefully by the time this video is up, I'll have a link available so these can be purchased if you'd like to. If not, invest in a Silhouette Cameo cutter. If you do have one, what you'll do is you'll go to Google Images and you'll download clip art for Chanel drip clip art is what you'll type in. You'll copy it and you'll paste it and trace it out, you know, and do it that way. I'll give you the measurements of this if you'd like to know. I have to look on my laptop and see, but that's how that will look. You will need some transfer tape. I'm going to use the same piece for both of these, and you can get that on Amazon. You can also find vinyl on Amazon as well. Okay, so just keep your hands nice and steady and eyeball it, or put water in the glass, whatever you need to do to make sure you get this on straight. This decal is 2 inches long and 2.5 inches wide, in case you're wondering. Those are the measurements. And this actually looks very nice as is if you just want to use the vinyl. But I will be using this vinyl as like an outline, and I'll be using, I believe I have 3mm right here, and they're like a gold plated rhinestone, one of my absolute favorite rhinestones to work with. They're very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the rhinestones now. Okay, so you're going to take a little bit of glue and just get started with just a little small amount. If you're just getting started, you may move too slow and you just don't want the glue to dry out on you. So you'll just kind of follow along the shape of the decal and then kind of trace it out. And it really works best if you use the same color rhinestones as your decal. And again, I am using a 5mm rhinestone, and I'll fill in a little bit on here with a 3mm rhinestone as well. Now, if you're just getting into crafting, this is actually a wonderful project for you to get started with because it's not a lot. It doesn't take a long time at all. You're just tracing out the decal, making sure that you hold your hand as steady as possible. And even if you don't, it's not like this glue is going to dry immediately and set in stone. So you still have time to go back and move the stones to where you want them to be. And you would let this glue dry, I'd say at least 24 to 48 hours before you start to use this. But this glue is absolutely amazing. I like to use it. E6000 works well also. But the thing about this glue, it has a very little to no smell. The Liquid Fusion glue, this is a 4-ounce bottle, and it is about $12 on Amazon. Amazon is the only place so far that I've been able to find this glue. E6000 is about $3 at Walmart. So there is a difference in price, but there's definitely a difference in the smell. Liquid Fusion, in my experience, does not work well at all on shoes. So keep that in mind. Now I'm almost finished with these. I like to say these probably took about 15 minutes. If you're newer to this and you go like a little slower, or if you use really teeny tiny rhinestones, maybe it could take you closer to an hour, you know, if you're just trying to make sure that everything is right. But I'm sure this took about no more than 10 to 15 minutes. Really quick. And they're super cute. And these glasses hold so much in them. I'm not sure how many ounces, but like I said, I drink everything out of these glasses. I absolutely love them, and they're so cute. So definitely consider these as gifts, or even to add to your pop-up shop table, birthday gifts, or just something to have on your bar that you have at home. These are just so lovely. I mean, who wouldn't want this? Even if you're not into the rhinestones, the decal alone is still fabulous. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these stemless glasses. Now, this looks very elegant with this gold, and I just really like how it just was able to make this Dollar Tree glass look like it costs a lot of money, just something expensive, like a great expensive gift for someone. And look at this pink. It's just fun. It just really pops out. I use 5mm on here, all 5mm. And it does give a different look than the gold, but I really appreciate both. And I will have a link available where you can purchase these decals if you're interested in them. So if you just look at them side by side, it looks like the gold has a fuller coverage of rhinestones because I did go in with a smaller size. So keep that in mind, you guys. Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it and receive some great ideas. Give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook if possible. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. MyRoyalRadiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtechnicaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. If you are going to subscribe to this channel, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted when I do upload new videos. Check out some of my playlists that I have on this channel, embellishing other items as well. And you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores between each word. Thanks again. Bye-bye.